Hey there, fabulous beauties! Today we're talking about a topic that's critical as we step into 2025. Progressing as a YouTube creator in the ever-evolving world of social media. I'll be introducing you to my project, Sassy One, my new channel that's all about fashion, beauty, and life. Alright, let's get into it! Gone are the days when you could upload a simple vlog or a quick makeup tutorial and watch it blow up. YouTube has evolved and the bar has risen, right? Now it's all about being strategic, connection, and consistency. Here's a breakdown of what you need to thrive. Niche clarity. It's not enough to just be a lifestyle creator. You've got to carve out your own unique space. For me, that's fashion, beauty, and life through the lens of confidence and individuality. Ask yourself, what's your sassy one? SEO strategy, metadata, keywords, tags. Yes, they matter. Spend time researching topics people are searching for, but also add your own flair. Engagement focus, comments, polls, community posts. This isn't a one-way street. Build those conversations with your audience. And let's not ignore the elephant in the room, short-form content, which are creating things in bite-sized pieces. But on YouTube, those shorts can be your gateway to longer, more meaningful videos. Introducing Sassy One. This channel is all about embracing boldness, sass, and individuality in every aspect of life. Fashion. Think wearable trends, bold, unique, sassy, and how to make your wardrobe truly you. Beauty, makeup, skincare, self-care. I'm talking tips that actually work and products that make you feel amazing. Life, self-love, personal growth, and personal affirmations. We're keeping it real and relatable. Why did I start Sassy One? Well, much of the beauty and fashion space can feel unattainable or overly polished. I wanted to create a space where we could be sassy, unique, fabulous, and everything in between. To our subscribers, thank you. If you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to come along for the ride. Subscribe to Sassy One. I promise it's going to be a journey filled with inspiration, style tips, and a sprinkle of sass. Now let's shift gears and talk about the heart of any YouTube channel, your subscribers. The thing about YouTube, especially in 2025, is that viewers don't just subscribe for your content, they subscribe for you. Your personality, your energy, your vibe. So how do we appeal to subscribers and build that authentic community? Be consistent, but flexible. Consistency builds trust, but life happens, and that's okay. If you need to pivot or try something new, take your audience along for the journey. Value. Virality. Viral videos are great, but a loyal community is better. Focus on delivering value. For Sassy One, I want every viewer to leave a video feeling inspired and more confident than when they started watching. Involve your audience. Polls, challenges, Q&A sessions. Give your subscribers a voice in your content. They'll feel invested in your journey. And here's a tip. Don't chase numbers. Yes, growth is important, but focus on impact first. A smaller, engaged community will take you further than a massive, disconnected one. Alright, my friends, as we wrap up today's conversation, here's what I want you to take away. Progressing on YouTube in 2025 is all about clarity, connection, and courage. Clarity in your niche, connection with your audience, and courage to show up authentically, even when things feel overwhelming. If you're ready to start or grow your YouTube channel, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest goal for 2025? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, Sassy One is officially live. Hit that subscribe button and join our community.